Look at that. Beautiful.
Hey, Brian.
What?
What's for supper?
Huh?
Tell us what you're cooking. Speak to us now. Tell us what you're cooking.
Huh. Summer sausage, cheese, and summer sausage.
Cheese and summer sausage. Jackson, what are you cooking? What's
Summer
on?
sausage. Yeah, but I'll put cheese on in the middle.
Yeah? Is that how we cook out here in the country?
Garage.
In the garage? We're garage cooking, ain't we?
Yep.
Yeah. Take a look at that, everybody. Don't that look good? That's summer sausage cooking right on the stove. And these boys are going to eat it too.
Yep.
You know why? Get over here. Why are you going to eat that?
Hey, look, Scott. Don, here's some.
Because your immunity system is top shelf, isn't
Hey,
it?
Scott.
Thumbs up.
Scott, look. Butter the pan, but not butter, but cheese. Cheese it.
Oh, you're putting cheese
Oh,
on.
that ain't good.
That's right. This is caveman cooking here.
Oh, the oil.
Why is there a Dr. Pepper can on the stove?
Yeah, that water.
Oh, that's got water in it. Are you melting your cheese on now?
Yeah.
Is this a particular gourmet technique?
Yep, my own recipe.
It's your own recipe.
I would do that.
Dude, that's going to be bad. You're going to smoke us out. You might want to break that up a little bit more.
I'm gonna butter it. I'm gonna butter my sandwich. Butter it.
You're going to butter it with cheese? That sounds too damn good on summer sausage.
Ow.
Oh, you flipped it. There you go. That's a pretty unique
Dad,
spatula
I need
you got
those.
there.
Dad, I need it. Not here. Put you right there. You got it on the plate.
That's going to be too hot for y'all to eat.
Let it cool down.
Here, why don't you take it and lay it
Fine.
What are you doing, son? Is it ready or not?
I don't really know.
It ain't browned.
Yeah, it ain't brown, won't it?
You got to flip it a couple of times to get it browned.
What's this?
Yours is getting, see, yours is done up there.
But I like that black on it.
There you go. Show us how you flip it. There you go. I have no idea what you're making, but it sure as hell looks good.
Oh, so we got...
Oh, that worked, didn't it? The garage is starting to smell better than it's ever smelled. It usually smells like 87 octane.
Oh, bubbling? Bubbling!
Let's get a good look at that bubbling. I want to get a good look at that bubbling over there. Oh, yeah. You're cooking.
Almost done. This one's have a few more minutes.
Dad, I need it.
Well, who's going to take a taste test first?
Me. I will.
I did it. No.
Oh, I forgot to do this.
All right, you got a summer. What? This is a summer sausage burger. Is yours even cooking yet?
I don't really know. The top might be harder.
Yeah, the top might be hard. You want to move your whole hot plate up to here.
I don't know how.
Well, you got it. You got it. You got it. Bring it over to there. I'm gonna get this out of the way. Let me get this out of your way. All right, there you go, chef. We'll let you get that browned a little bit. It's gonna kick off real good here in a minute. You ought to get a little bit of seasoning. Get some salt. Get some salt and pepper. Yeah, go ask Brittany for some salt and pepper. Hang tight, people. We'll be right back.
Whole time.
What happened?
So we bought bird feeder,
Yeah.
and now our city won't stop donating it to a bird.
Oh. What's that damn burger made of?
So it's it and seed. Oh,
Well, wait a minute. It's summer sausage. That's homemade summer sausage, ain't it?
yeah.
What's it made from?
I don't know.
You know what we did. That's part kitty cat?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It's part kitty cat, part squirrel.
Oh, that.
Oh, yeah. That's getting good, ain't it?
Yeah.
There you go. Oh my Lord.
What?
Spices. You did it poured, son. It's gonna be too salty. Careful.
Alright. Can I see those? I'm gonna do it. Once that top.
Uh-oh. Now we're cooking with gas.
My duck bite! Yay! My duck bite. Okay, down up on it. That is in mine. Okay, put your leg in. Oh no. Hey, John.
What?
Video.
What?
Video.
Get on in here.
Hey, it's done. Now we might need a bit more time. Cause with that one.
Get that kickstand down. Get over here. Check your food.
Dang.
Come on.
Oh. Let me have these. Yeah. There's the two. Hold that. Turn you around.
Oh my God. You better get that off of there.
It's drippy.
Uh-oh. Careful.
It's
Get her, son. You better haul it over there somewhere. Anywhere over there. Anywhere. There you go.
Mine.
There you go. Let it catch that carpet on fire.
Yay! Let's just get a little.
Well, hang on. We got a taste test. Yours is gonna burn, dude. Why are you starting more?
That means it's good.
Well, go ahead.
Butter.
I want to see somebody taste test.
Wait, I will. Go on, man. Me and you at the same time. Oh, wait, hold on. Is it hot? Oh, at the bottom.
Here we go.
What's that? Hey, bologna. Fried bologna.
Tastes like fried bologna.
Oh, yes. It smells like it. Look at that.
Eat it right on them needle nose. There you go. That's boy right there. That's how you bite into that. You use them needle nose.
It's hot.
That's your what?
You have to try one.
I will.
Hey, John. It might be done.
Get it over here and let it cool for a minute.
Hey, John.
Here, let me have that. Let me have that.
John. John. Did you eat fried bologna?
Oh my God, it's so good. Mm-hmm.
John.
What? We have failed to fix the carburetor 3 times. We'll figure something out. But until then, we'll find other things to create. All right, chefs.
Hold on.
What do you say to everybody out there on YouTube?
Cooking on a stove is way more better than on an oven.
Well, there's a smart close. All right, everybody. Have fun. See you. Bye.